So hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Praneeth Talks. So in this video I brought you a wireless and budget mouse from company Logitech M171 reliable wireless connectivity mouse, and this total cost is 845. If you want, I'll give in the link in the description. You guys can buy, and total cost for me 645 rupees. And let's open the mouse and let's see. Oh, the packing is super. And here they're saying it will come with 10 minimum range and 12 months battery life, that is up to 1 year, and plug and play receiver, and it will be compatibility, like it is suitable for Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac and Chrome OS operating system. And inside they gave some paperwork. Here is our brand new Logitech mouse, and here they gave arrow pick up from like this. And let's keep this aside and let's see the mouse. So the mouse look is like this. It's very comfortable and easy for who people will work from home actually. Now let's look some shots with this mouse. So friends, I hope you guys enjoyed the creative shots of Logitech mouse. Let's talk now about the comfortable and the grip. The grip is also good, and here they given a parallel lines on both sides, and the comfortable also is good only. That's it. So guys, we have been seeing Logitech M171 video for today. That is the video. I will be see you in the next video of my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye. And one more thing, there will be link in the description. How was the video? Please rate the video. And one more thing, WhatsApp group invite link will be in this link in the description. Whoever interested can join the link. Hope stay home, stay safe, wear mask, stay safe. That's it guys. Bye guys. See you in the next vlog on my channel. Bye.